She's got my passport. Oh my god. Up. Come on. Good morning, guys. As you can see, we are not in the truck. We are currently at an Airbnb in St. John, New Brunswick. And I'm just having breakfast. And then today we are going to head home. This wasn't a super easy decision to make to head home. Obviously, I want to keep staying on the road, but I have responsibilities back home, and I think it's been a little bit over a month that I've been on the road, so definitely a lot longer than I set out to be. Obviously, had to take one last shower before leaving. Alright, so that was just like a little quick stop by the beach. It was a black beach with black sand. Apparently it's not common here in North America because apparently black sand is only from volcanoes, something science. I didn't really understand, so I'm not gonna repeat it. So now we're gonna head home very slowly. We're gonna leave Canada. We're gonna go back through Maine instead of going back through New Brunswick and Quebec again like the way we came. So it's just to take another road back home. And I've never been to Maine, and I haven't left the country in a few years, so I thought, why not go back through Maine? I got all of our documents ready, so we're ready to go. We've seen it all now. We've seen red sand beaches, we've seen black sand beaches, which I didn't even know was a thing, and we've also saw regular sand. What's that color? Like gold? Brown? Beige? Just a little pit stop for lunch. Here we go again. Oh boy. Wow, those fries look popping. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I almost got the lobster roll, but then I asked him which one he would pick, and he said he would pick this one. This is a sweet Thai, I don't know, sweet Thai chicken burger or something. Good fries. Moment of truth. Yep. Ooh. I don't know why every time I have to cross the border, or like if there's like cops around me, I'm like automatically nervous as if I was guilty or something, but I don't have anything on me. I'm like, anyways, borders are dumb anyway, but it's another story. Hello.
Hi. You have your passport?
Yes.
Thank you. Where do you live?
Montreal?
Okay, I'm gonna bring you here. Okay. And you're fully vaccinated?
Yes.
Yeah, you have your vaccination record with you?
Oh, we need that?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know. I don't have that.
Okay, why are you recording?
Oh, I'm just recording my travels.
Alright, so you're recording this inspection as well?
Oh, yes, I guess. Sorry.
Okay. And since you're unable to provide proof of vaccination, I'm gonna ask you to park right over there.
Never been pulled over. She's got my passport. was stressful. We are officially in Maine. It was like maybe half an hour I got detained. They just asked me the same questions, and I had to like find my proof of vaccination. I really thought we didn't need it anymore. I wasn't trying to play a trick or anything. I just really thought it wasn't a thing anymore. So this is camp for the night. There's a little lake or river just down the hill. Guys, do you hear that? It's silence. There's no wind. Gotta say, it's quite a relief that there's no wind, because yeah, the wind was really getting to me. The noise, it was just like noise, and it's, I don't know, I think I have like a sensory thing where I just can't have it be too loud. Anyways, I'm glad I'm here. It's really quiet. It's a little bit scary because we're in the woods, and I don't know, there's always something, right? It's windy at the beach, but I'm not scared of like wild animals that much. But it's quiet here, but I'm like scared of, I don't know, bears or even deer. Good job, buddy. Nothing too fancy tonight, just Louisiana style red bean and rice. Just keep it in here. So it keeps me warm, and I keep it warm as well. A little food baby. This is the first time that I didn't overwater it. It's a lot of beans. It needs hot sauce. This one is 48% of my daily sodium, and it's like not salty enough. So I'm like, I don't understand how you have so much sodium and it doesn't taste good. How? I wonder if there are like Japanese or Korean camping meals, because I feel like they would be really good at it. Holy shit. The 48% sodium was only for half of the package, so the whole package is 96% of your daily sodium intake. Fine, it's too much, but make it taste good. Morning! I've been doing this pretty like quick for me breakfast. Instead of taking out the whole stove, I just take this out, heat up some water, and then put in some oatmeal, instant oatmeal. 2 packs, because 1 pack is not enough. Just regular, like non-sweetened. So I'm gonna add some soy sauce and hot sauce in it. It's kind of like Okay, that was crazy. Kind of like kanji, I guess. I also hard-boiled some eggs yesterday at the Airbnb. So I'm just gonna put that in because I undercooked them quite a bit. I haven't been in the woods in a while. I've just been by the beach. So last night I got a little spooked. I was like, started worrying about bears and how I'm unprepared and how... Anyways, so I googled it. Apparently Maine has the biggest black bear population in the lower 48. So that spooked me even more. Soy sauce. Bit of hot sauce. Not bad at all. Hot. A lot of camp spots have like just underwear or like socks. Like, what are people doing that they forget their underwear? We just stopped to make some lunch. This is honestly the best one that I've had. It's pad thai with chicken, lots of sodium, but at least it tastes good, you know? I wasn't sure if we were gonna make it back home today or if we're gonna stay another night because it's like still like 6-hour drive. We've already done 2 hours of it, so there's 4 hours. So we're not really sure if I'm gonna drive all the way or not. The plan is to drive all the way, but I think it'll depend on Whiskey and how she'll feel in the truck for that long. We haven't driven that long in one stretch since this road trip, or ever really. But I'm gonna give her some exercise and throw the ball around for her a bit and see how it goes and see how we feel. It's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow. That's why I want to make it back home tonight, because I don't want to camp in the rain, and I don't know. I'm just ready to be home, I guess. It comes with a lot of extra ingredients. Maybe that's why it's so good. More clothes. Are people okay? Like, I don't know. It's beautiful though. Nice little spot. We're home. It's really nice to be back. It feels surreal to be back home. Really, it just like feels like I'm dreaming or something. I don't know. But I was definitely ready to be home, I think. I missed my couch a lot. It was nice to have running water. It was nice to be in my shower. Just like have my things. I feel like I have a lot to reflect on. I was away for a little bit over a month, and yeah, it was a long time. Lots to think about. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you had a good time, because I had a good time. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Bye.